DJI NEO 2 leaked. Next-gen AI drone revolutionizing aerial photography. The DJI NEO 2 is here, and it's about to change everything we know about drones. Leaked specs, cutting-edge AI, and an all-new design. This might be DJI's most powerful compact drone yet. Whether you're a professional aerial photographer, a drone enthusiast, or someone looking for the best AI-powered drone in 2024, the DJI NEO 2 is set to take the industry by storm. So, what makes it so special? Stay tuned as we break down every leaked detail, including camera upgrades, battery life, obstacle avoidance, and new AI-assisted flight modes. Design and build, a game-changer in portability. DJI has always been known for sleek, efficient designs, and the DJI NEO 2 is no exception. Based on the latest leaks, the drone will feature an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber-infused frame, making it one of the most durable and portable drones in DJI's lineup. Foldable arm mechanism. Rumors suggest an all-new, reinforced foldable arm system that enhances durability without adding weight. Compact and travel-friendly. The DJI NEO 2 could be smaller than the Air 3, making it an ideal travel companion for adventure filmmakers and content creators. IP rating and weather resistance. Unlike previous models, leaks indicate an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, which means flying in light rain and tough environments won't be an issue. Camera and imaging, 6K video and cinematic capabilities. Drone photography is evolving fast, and the DJI NEO 2 is reportedly pushing boundaries with its imaging system. Leaks suggest that this drone will feature a revolutionary 6K camera. The DJI NEO may feature a inch CMOS sensor with 6K resolution at 30 frames per second, making it a significant upgrade over previous DJI models. Variable aperture lens. Just like the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, leaks hint at a variable aperture ranging from f/2.0 to f/11, giving users full creative control over depth of field. Enhanced low-light performance. A new AI-assisted HDR mode could dramatically improve night photography, delivering crisp, detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. 10-bit D-Log and Apple ProRes support. For professional filmmakers, ProRes and 10-bit color depth support will allow for better post-production flexibility. Flight time and battery life. Extended endurance. Battery life is crucial for drone users, and leaks indicate that DJI is taking flight time to the next level with the NEO 2. 5-minute flight time. A massive improvement over its predecessor. The DJI NEO 2 might feature a 5,000 mAh intelligent flight battery that delivers up to 45 minutes of flight time per charge. Fast charging. DJI may introduce GON fast charging technology, reducing charge times to under 40 minutes. Enhanced battery management system. DJI's next-gen Smart Battery Management System, SBMS, could improve longevity, ensuring more charge cycles and reducing overheating. AI-powered flight modes, next-level automation. The DJI NEO 2 is rumored to feature the most advanced AI-driven flight modes we've ever seen. Here's what to expect. Active Track 6.0. Improved subject tracking with a new AI processor for smoother, more intelligent motion tracking. AI-assisted obstacle avoidance. Leaks suggest an omnidirectional sensing system powered by next-gen LiDAR and AI-enhanced pathfinding. Waypoint 3.0 and AI smart routes. DJI may be introducing an automated route learning system, allowing the drone to predict and optimize flight paths dynamically. Gesture Control 2.0. A major upgrade allowing users to control flight, zoom, and camera angles with simple hand gestures. Transmission and connectivity. 15 kilometers range and 5G support. OcuSync 4.0 Plus. The NEO 2 could feature DJI's next-gen OcuSync system, offering 15 kilometers, 9.3 miles, of range with ultra-low latency. 5G and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Faster real-time streaming and seamless cloud integration for instant uploads. Multi-drone coordination. This could allow fleet operation for filmmakers needing multiple angles from different drones simultaneously. Price and release date. What to expect. Expected price. Based on industry trends, The DJI NEO 2 is expected to be priced around $1,299 to $1,499, making it a solid competitor to the Air 3 and Mini 4 Pro. Release timeline. With leaks gaining traction, an official announcement is expected by Q2 2025, possibly around DJI's annual launch event. So, is the DJI NEO 2 the ultimate AI drone of 2024? From its 6K camera and advanced AI flight modes to 45-minute battery life and 15 kilometers range, this drone is shaping up to be a game-changer in aerial photography. But what do you think? Will you be upgrading to the DJI NEO 2? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest DJI updates.